Did you have breakfast this morning? My dad says in a phrase in Uyghur, "Atgan qilsang nashta, kasal qilmas bashta." It means in Uyghur, if you have breakfast in the morning, there will be no illness left in your head. I think the breakfast is very important in daily life. That's why we are going to make egg healthy breakfast today. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you are already a Dolancik friend, Assalam, welcome back. Hope you enjoy. Butter lettuce tortilla. The first one I'm gonna make is butter lettuce tortilla. Boil the egg for about 4 minutes. When it's ready, cool it down with cold water. I use fresh butter lettuce. I already washed and cleaned it. It's got a creamy texture to it. Then I'm gonna get some of these avocado and beautiful tomatoes. I've got this warm egg and season it with salt and sweet red paprika powder. Delicately dress it with olive oil. Wrap it carefully. It might be a little messy, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Potato rosti. Peel 1 big potato, grate it, and squeeze out excess water. Prepare a skillet. Use medium heat. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cover the bottom with it and put the potato in. Form a flat patty. Season it with salt, sweet red paprika powder, and layer it with tomato puree. I'm gonna use 2 eggs for this recipe. Cover the top of the potato rosti with the mixed eggs. Turn the fire down to the medium-low heat. Leave it for about 4 minutes. Egg wrap. 2 eggs for this recipe. I'm gonna finely slice the spring onion, just the green leaf of it. Put it in the egg mix. Add salt, sweet red paprika powder, and some tomato puree. Whisk them. Cover the bottom of the skillet with olive oil. Put the mixture gently and evenly in the pan. Bake it for about 3 minutes. Depending on what you have in the kitchen, you could combine it with fresh tomato, spinach, avocado, and corn. Season it with salt. If you wanted to, you could just eat it as an omelette. Egg noodle soup. I love having soup in the morning, especially in the autumn and cold winter days. I'm gonna use 1 carrot, scallion, and some mushrooms. After washing and cleaning them, I'm going to cut the mushrooms. Slice the scallion in half horizontally. Cut it into 2 long sections. Peel the carrot in long stripes as well, until you can't peel it anymore. Put them in 1 bowl size of water. Let them boil. Add some salt, garlic powder, and some tomato puree. Get 2 eggs, whisk them, and season them with salt. Cover the bottom of the skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put the mixture evenly into the pan. Turn it around very gently when it's golden brown. Try to keep it whole. After about 3 to 4 minutes, take it out. Fold it and cut it into flat and long stripes. Now it's ready. You can enjoy your delicious egg noodle soup. Smoked paprika egg. Last but not least, sweet hot recipe is my favorite one. Get a big, beautiful red bell pepper. After washing and cleaning, cut it horizontally in half. Get some olive oil and lubricate all the sides of the bell pepper with oil. Season it with salt. Get your egg and bake it. Leave it for 10 minutes. You will find a little bit of charring happening on the bottom, and that smoky edge is what I want it to be. Delicately dress it with honey. This will be not only for the breakfast, but also perfect for brunch or dinner. It will get you into a sort of weekend summer brunch vibe. Thank you very much for watching this video. And these are some breakfast ideas. Make some breakfast for yourself and take care. See you next week. Bye!